Welcome back guys. New project to discover today is manufacturing of steel-framed round table design, CNC cutting in AutoCAD and Aspire DIY CNC hack light bulb. Here are the exact measurements for the round table, as outlined by the designer. Here are some reference pictures found online, with respective credit given to the original creators. A 50mm solid wood plank laminated by the joinery team for 3D CNC cutting. Guys, here is the first surface preparation and 3D rough cut for the round table. Guys, here's the final version of the round table top after CNC cutting and painting.